Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a TV card. First, identify if your TV card is an internal PCIe model or an external USB device. Next, confirm your computer meets the card system requirements, including available ports and operating system compatibility. Finally, collect all required cables, such as HDMI, coaxial, or USB, to ensure a smooth setup process. Having these items ready will make installation much easier. Now let's install the card. If you have an internal card, power down your PC completely, open the case, and securely insert the card into an available PCIe slot. For both internal and external cards, connect your antenna or cable source to the TV card's input port. Then, install the drivers and accompanying software from the provided disk or the manufacturer's website to ensure proper functionality. With the card installed, it's time to configure it. Launch the TV card software and initiate a channel scan to discover all available broadcasts in your area. Take some time to adjust settings for optimal video quality, preferred audio output, and any recording preferences you might have. Don't forget to explore advanced features like time shifting, electronic program guides, and remote control options for a complete viewing experience. If you encounter any issues, start by checking all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Also, verify that your TV card drivers are the most current version for optimal performance. If problems persist, consult the manufacturer's support website for detailed troubleshooting guides specific to your model. And speaking of enhancing your home, you can find a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your new TV card setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.